Hello, I'm here in the back room of a site that had an issue with a flavor that was not dispensing at all. The water is dispensing, but the flavor is not dispensing. So I'm just going to take a walk back out. I took the merchandiser off of the machine. This is the machine here, so see the brisk iced tea. And then I'm pouring, nothing's dispensing, right? So now I'm going to go back to the back room and I'll show you the issue. So usually what I'll do is I'll come back, I'll check out the bid box area. This is that flavor that I was trying to dispense. It is a brisk iced tea raspberry flavor. Like I was saying, here is the flavor that was not dispensing. And as you can see on the box, it says this side up to dispense, so you want to make sure that that side is up. You also want to check your connector. As you can see, this connector is has a little buildup on it, so I will clean this connector, and then I'm just going to straighten out this loop that's in here. See that loop that's right there? I'm just going to straighten that loop out and have it kind of loop straight in like that, so that it's not curled up like that. But what you want to do is you want to follow that line. That line goes back here, runs over here, and then it runs up here. And hopefully you can see, but right here, the CO2 line is not in. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that in place. Okay, we have that in place. As you did hear it start pumping. I'll come back to this and clean that nozzle, that connector off in a few minutes. But now we're just going to go back and take a look at that flavor and dispense some and see how it's doing. So we got the brisk iced tea flavor. As you can see, it's pouring down now. See that had a little air in there. So now that's pumping through good. Okay. Just gonna clean some of this off here. Okay, so now we have that flavor dispensing properly, and we should be all set. That's dispensing, so that's all set. And that was how you would look for a flavor that was not dispensing. Usually it's something simple like that, or it could be a bad pump, or you could have a water issue, or it could be an issue with the valve up top here. So we've we found it, that the CO2 line was disconnected, so that's what we'll leave with now. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay well.